So for question B, we're still using x is negative 2. It's an AB question, so x is negative 2. So we're going to plug it in, and we're going to go f at negative 2 plus h minus f at negative 2, okay, all over h. So you can go ahead and put the a in. Okay, it's just a part B question, so we're using the same a. Okay, put that in, center it. So negative 2 plus h squared, 2 times negative 2 plus h, minus 15, minus, and again, if you want to, you can calculate this on the side, right? So I can do f at negative 2, which would be negative 2 squared, 2 times negative 2 minus 15. 4 plus 4, so it's negative 11, I think. No, wait. 4 plus 4 is 8, negative 7, negative 7. 4, 4, 8, negative 7. Okay, so again, you can do that on the side, and this will be negative 7. And that's over h. Yes? 4, 4? Yeah. Okay. So there we go. Then again, if you want, you can expand and collect like terms, or you can leave it factored. It's up to you. The expanding of a squared is not bad, though, right? So I'm like, I kind of want to expand that. Do you want to leave it for this time? Would anyone want to just leave it and just work with it in the brackets? Right? Okay, so for this one, let's leave it in the bracket where you're like, she said I didn't have to. Maybe you just leave it. So negative 2 plus h squared, and then just leave this negative 2 plus h, and this will be minus 8, right, all over h. So you can work with it that way, and you're just going to punch in that way. So again, it'll work either way, and there's no set way that you have to do for this. That. And then you can do h1, h2. Let's check this. So let h1 equal negative 0.01. We're going to let h2 equal 0.01. Plug her in. So m1 equals, okay, and if you want to show this step, it'll be negative 2.01 squared minus 2. This is negative 2.01 minus 8 all over negative 0.01. Calculate that. Right? So again, if you had simplified it, you could do it that way, or I'm showing you that there's this one you could have done it this way as well. For this one here, m2 would be negative 1.99 squared minus 2, negative 1.99 minus 8 all over 0.01. Okay, for m1, what do we get? What did you get? I know what I got. I just want to check to see if it's an approximate, though. Get exactly negative 6.01. Is that okay? Negative 6.01. Right, no approximate. And then for M2, do we get exactly negative 5.99? Right, so here, therefore, M1 plus M2 divided by 2 gets me negative 6.01 plus negative 5.99 all over 2, and that gets me a slope of negative 6. So therefore, not max or min. So if it's not a 0, you stop at step 1. You go, no, it's not going to be a max or min because I've got a slope other than 0. So don't bother checking because there's nothing to check.